Here's the power supply at 4 volts and I'm going to connect this thin wire to it, and you can see how the wire melts and burns under. Okay, you can see it still sparks. Let's try it out. What the f? I thought I set it to 1 volt. Okay, let me show you how well it works. First, without the anti-pay. Let's try the taser now. Measure some waveforms. I connected the probe to my output lines, connected my circuit to this power bar, and now I will turn the power bar on. Spending energy to turn on the light. But if I bring my hand between the coil and the light, my hand blocks and absorbs some of the energy and the light goes dim. Am I getting cancer from this? And let me zap this one. Ow! There is no easy way to use this damn taser. Let's try it again.
Why don't you plug it here?
Let's give it a try. There we go, the charger LED is on. Now it's off. Turning much harder now. Oh no, 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 no! No, no! I killed the phone! What was that? Well, I haven't touched that in a while. Maybe it doesn't hurt anymore. No, that's stupid. 170 volts. Now I like to use my 100 ohm resistor and connect it to the output to see how the waveform changes. Okay, finally, let's power it up. I could share my artistic side with you. I forgot to unplug the damn thing. It's done. Let's turn it on and see how it looks like. It's a very simple and yet effective circuit. Let's turn it on. Nothing that a strong drill battery can take care of. Never do stupid shit that you will regret for the rest of your life. Here is the piezo sparker I took out from the lighter. When you press the button, it sparks. Out of all these, you get your own tiny taser that you can zap your friends with. Please join me for the first time to hear how it sounds. And 1, 2, 3, 4. But they have a high voltage with respect to the center mesh. I can short it with my screwdriver for you to see the spark. I use my clamp. And I'll turn it on with my power supply. Here I turn on the supply. See? No sparks. There is not even a high voltage here that I can feel. So it's impossible for this to excite a fluorescent bulb. What the f? When I had my finger stuck in the lighter and pulled the trigger, it zapped me. Let's charge the car battery with these. Now I have to wait till... I'll be using my power supply here connected to these wires. This power supply can generate 20 volts, 150.
A speaker is a magnet and a coil that when you excite the coil with an AC voltage, it vibrates at the same frequency.
The first thing you need to do is to unscrew the head and rotate it and mount it on the tail by piercing into the tail. Well, never pierce a hole towards your body. This tail is a little bit tough, so I'm going to drill a hole into it.
It's much more dangerous if the current runs through your body first, then into the water. Let's try it. Well, that was super painful, not even compatible to if you just put the spoon in the water. Ouch! Then there is a node around here, then it's vibrating here. Let me increase the amplitude so the vibrations are more visible. Oh sh! It's glowing hot here. But in a lot of cases, eddy current can be pretty bad. Ow!
What kind of sorcery is this? Did it decide not to hurt? Ow! Nope.
See some AC voltage, but because the charger output and live wire are isolated, if I short them, there is no current running between them and the AC... I tied some wires to the element terminal so I can probe them. Now if I turn on the voltage ground wire, nothing happens. And if I touch the live, never try this at home. It is okay because I'm isolated. Okay, nothing happens. What's going on there? Something... Ow, shit! People suffering in cold mine. Loose wires. Avoid them. Oh hey. Hey man, take a listen to my latest mixtape on this. Ooh, let's hear it out. Backwards. Backwards again. Hurry up, caveman. There we go. It was a prank, man. You're such an idiot. You plug anything into your computer, now it's gone. You should see the look on your face right now.
But I trusted you.
It was just a prank, bro. Don't beat yourself up for your stupidity. My life's work was on this computer. Don't worry. It kills your USB port and likely your motherboard, but won't erase your data.
Then we are good. High five.
Yeah, unless you have solid state drive memory, that is. I bought this novelty gun from my local dollar store, and when you press the trigger, why? Now it's ready to go. You just plug it into the power line, it charges right away and you can unplug. Then you charge. Flash capacitor is still charged. Let's discharge it first before touching it. These things are violent. See, it doesn't arc anymore because I think the capacitor is loading the output voltage and reducing it. So I have to bring the contacts further close. Ow! Shit!
Really hurt you at all if the voltage is set very low. Observe.
Ow!
Who the hell set this to 25 volts?
Nuts here.
See it with their end connected to a cable where I can just plug into the wall.
Okay, there we are. Where the f is it? The whole city is melted. Oh!
Replacing a light bulb is one of the simple things to do. Oh. My finger. I broke the bulb. There's a switch. Unplug. Damn it. Unplug. Cylinder back here that will move it around. Now I enable the power supply. Now we'll have high voltage as
So don't overheat your magnets. Goodbye, love. Not everything hot is kissable. voltage level, you can adjust its scale using a knob, and the horizontal axis is for time that you can adjust its scale using the other knob. This can tell you tons about what you're measuring. For example, if I measure the outlet voltage, oh, I think the gap between the wires is a little bit too wide for the 2 kilovolt to jump across. Ow! My puny wires melted. What if I put a capacitor between the rods so that when the arcs reach them, the capacitor blows up for some firework effects? Oh, and what if I add some sparklers to it? It's getting there. Oh my god! Oh! Yay!
Let's make it fancier.
The hell? The hell? Why bad things happen to good people? Come on. Ah! Let's see if I can weld these two pieces.
Don't touch hot stuff.
Let's play Pink Panther. My f***ing brain cells! Now let's reduce the voltage level and increase the frequency all the way to 60 Hz. I shock my ass sitting on these live wires. Always clean up the lab, otherwise something will bite you in the ass. Steady. Steady. It's okay. An inductor blocks AC. Okay, everything is hooked up and ready to go. Hello? Wow! Oh, what did I do? Okay, let's see how far the fire goes. Magic! I wonder if it can shock me. Not supplying lots of power. Let's see. It's not too bad. Okay, let's get back to the circuit. But right now I'm touching the wires and I can't even feel it because the voltage is not high enough. Is to sense the temperature of the iron, feeling the hot air rising from the iron by the skin above my lips. The skin here is quite sensitive to temperature and you can tell the temperature quite accurately. Ground or negative. Something starts to smell around here. Damn it. The power supply on, so you can see what's going on. There you go. You saw what happened to. And there's a switch here that acts like a trigger. So here we go. Spray and spray those ants to death. All you need to do is to spray over their walkway like this. Holy! And we will hammer the head into the wood like this.
Here you go, son.
Thanks, Dad. Holy shit! I made this simple circuit and I'll plug it in. Now the circuit is hot and the voltage is on the I put the meter on AC and I measure the voltage. Oh my God! Let's cut the stupid LED out to reduce the current draw a bit. Yeah, I guess the LED wasn't drawing much. So that's it. 100 milliamp is the Watch the current carefully as I connect the capacitor. Anywhere, the arcs still jump to it. The hell? Ouch! Although the arcs are ouch! Ouch! The arcs are not jumping to the screwdriver, but it burns my hand. Connect this together. Oh, it did jump. Hey! Add more as needed to your taste. Ah, lots of poisonous gases. I think it's ready to serve. Into the power line. Ow! Look at this. There is blood coming out of every hair hole. Why would anyone use this piece of shit? And some electricity passes through the hair and it falls out. I assume they use something like a taser that zaps the hair dead. And for that purpose, I'm gonna use my homemade taser. Okay, let's try it out. Resistors resist against the current flow and convert the energy into heat. Ouch! A capacitor stores energy in form of electric fields between electric charges and can later release them when a load is connected between... Damn it! And if you don't know how to use them, it will convert the energy into heat. Inductors store energy in the form of magnetic fields. Oh sh**. And yeah, I guess every wire has a resistance too. Have you ever been so sad that you felt like a lump was appearing in your throat? High voltage makes me nervous as f***. So let's try it. Ow! Be a man. Ow! Ah. This is nothing. This is nothing for me. Come on out! Doesn't open. Never ever try this at home. I'm doing a fully soapy hand to give it the best shot. Otherwise there will be a hell of a pain. Okay, come on. Sorry guys, the pain is too much for me, but I'm sure it will. It opens! Okay, let me check my body resistance and impedance. Tongue DC. Okay, tongue at 3 volts. Oh, maybe she dropped the wall adapter in the water, completely submerged it, and then plugged it in. Ow! So I guess this is pretty dead. Now if I shove the magnet into the coil, I see that the voltage is generated. And the faster I go, the higher the amplitude, like this. What the f are you doing? What? Just close the door next time. What? Else? Okay. Slippery. I could take it off. Ow! Plug it in to charge the phone. And short the live, which is the black wire, to the earth, which is the green. The breaker should pop. Now to start soldering your board, you need a soldering iron. It's on. Right? The current reading. Or you can just simply try to adjust the frequency of the circuit. The phone and its charging cable are around the same non-lethal level, so dropping it in a bathtub is not harmful.
Launching in 3, 2, 1, 0. Houston, we have a problem.
Wow.
The result was negligible. Yo. Let me plug it in so I can show you a few. This is awesome! This system much exactly almost like a hot glue gun. The heating element melts the matter. Who plugged it in? Super dangerous. Don't try it at home. Let me demonstrate. If I plug it into the pipe to see how it looks like. There. Oh, pretty straightforward. You can see that the AC line enters from that corner and feeds it. Always make sure your circuit is disconnected from power supply before you start tinkering with it. Of the microwave, I just put a wire in here to kickstart the arc. Holy Well, that was dangerous. Let's measure the current too. It's not making a good contact. This gap is quite wide. Let me measure it for you. Well, you know, metal is generally conducting 10 amps through a regular pencil's graphite. Wow, this is getting. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh! Okay, it's definitely shorted. Let's plug it in. Hopefully nothing will happen and I'll know. Oh jeez. Wow, I better clean it up before they see it. Well, I basically ran away. The breaker for all the room outlets just popped. It should turn or vibrate. Too much voltage. Let me reduce it by my auto transformer. To tap into our oven somehow if I pull it back a little bit. Thanks to the stupid design of the outlet, I can pull it back a little bit and expose the high voltage lines. Let's see what voltage we... Ow! What the f was the... Stepped on stupid spaghetti down here. I have to clean it up. Okay, let's do it. It will show us if the phases are 120 degrees out or 180 degrees out. Let's check. Holy piece of This is super sketchy, but let's see if it works. Woo. Okay, and we'll bond over playing these games. So here's the jack-in-the-box contraption. You just turn it on, and anyone touches the handle will be shocked. In some of the outlets, especially in the kitchen, they bring two phases to the outlet. And to do so, if you look here carefully, they have to cut that tiny bridge. Always wear safety gloves to protect your fingers and don't try this at home. Let me see if I can make some arcs. Always wear safety goggles when dealing with very bright arcs. Let's try it again. Nice, look at that. Nice. Am I on fire? Okay, ready? Capacitance of the MOSFET by touching the positive and negative lines through my body. And now the relay can turn on a light too. I stick an AA battery. Let's see how badly it shocks. I hate getting shocked. Ow! This is pretty painful too. Let's try it one more time. Ow! Ow! I hate it. Let's try it one more time. It's really experienced one. What this? Ow! It burn freezes. There you go, 100 amps. And it's holding on pretty. Oh sh. My auto transformer can't take that much power. And feed some material through. You see the LEDs start to get red as the head hits. Let me demonstrate. I plug it in and now the rails are live, so under no circumstances you should touch the rails. Now I put the projectile on. Look at that, people. Molten. Oh, this glove is not good for this purpose. And remember that the white wire is neutral, and that's where you would be connecting your program. The white wire was neutral. I connected it backwards. I'm measuring the capacitor voltage and it's around... It's not gonna heat up because it's plastic. Now if I turn it on, it draws power from the supply to heat up the... How does it work? Wow. If there is metal in something, don't put it in the microwave. More turns to get high enough voltage. And here's my handicraft. Let's measure and see where we are. Okay, all the booger water is collected. Oh, there's no drain. Ah, the doors are closed. Ouch. Body a little bit, and then discharge. Ow! That was painful. Jump start again. I had charged the supercap to 14 volts, but oh something crap. What the Live 120 volt AC input, and I have my capacitor and diode here, and I'm probing across the diode. Now if I connect the circuits together, but much more current, and at the input, much. Well, you get the point. It's like everything is in order. The circuit is not warm. Everything is good. Ouch! Damn it, I zapped myself. There we go. Professional plumbing done professionally. Now the question is, does it work? Of course it does. Was there ever any doubt? And here I have the CD power line. Both of them are exactly at 120 volt AC. Like behind a red light or in a charging lane. I removed this drain to measure the water usage. Why do they use this stupid bend here that only collects dirty water and booger? Something like this inductor and capacitor. This is a filter. If I try to measure the AC output using my... The power line straight capacitors don't blow up like that. Oh, the reason my light is turning on is because I'm hiding my Tesla coil under the table. Ow! What they say about AC, it hurts. Yeah. So I'm stuck with 60 hertz for now. Let me see if I can charge my body. Put my legs up. Oh, I can feel my hair rising. Ow! Something zapped me right in the ass. Oh, the city voltage is a sine wave. Now if we scope it... which one was the live wire? Black is ground. And jump start the car, and hopefully it will start, and then I disconnect everything. Ready, set, go! Damn it, nothing happened. Some plugs like this one that we can measure. Here we have... Test. What's up with my circuits and all the smoke? In conclusion, here is how Muso works in all the modes. Let me read you a passage. Once everyone else was settled in
Their old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and in his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Of course, a brushless AC motor like this one that I took from an old microwave oven can last much longer than a brush. This here, I killed it. Don't short. Anyways, with this, I'm converting the AC into DC using it. It's a single diode, but it will do. And if I measure the voltage at the output, holy the capacitor, any tone from it, like this. There is 48 volt DC on them, which is a pretty harmless voltage. Wires. As we expect, we just have to tie the neutral wires to the ground of this. I have a foot switch that applies the 120 volt to my valve, like this. What the Realistically, I'm gonna touch the door. Ouch! Charge my body first and then let go and then touch the ground. I hate surprises.